Hey guys, thanks for coming here. I wanted you to see this video. I wanted to make this video because there's a lot of trepidation out there about not wanting to make money online because it's sales. But listen, sales is not the way that it used to be. So selling a course, yes, you don't want to do that. That's a scam. Don't go down that road. But if you actually want to make money online, you need to get into digital marketing with an actual company where all you have to do is share a link. Go there. You don't have to make videos like this. I'll give you over 1,000 pieces of content that you can download and repost very easily. I show you step by step how to do it. I actually show you everything in this playlist right here. I'll link it at the end of this video. Check it out. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that like button and you check that bell. But I want to tell you, sales are not the way it used to be. Sales with this, sales with social media and the internet now, you don't go door to door like you used to. You don't sell to family and friends like you used to, or people that you see on the street. You don't have to approach, gas stations to sell perfume. I tried that. But you don't have to do any of that shit. That's not what sales is anymore. What sales is now is providing information, right? I'm going to provide you information about this digital marketing business. What you do with it after that is up to you. I'm not going to keep spamming you. I'm not going to keep sending you a bunch of shit. I'm not going to keep texting you and calling you and all of that. If you want to move forward with what I'm talking about, because I know that it's successful, I'm successful at it. This is all I do now. Quit my job, replaced a full-time income because of this. So I can show you how to make money online and teach you exactly how I made money online back when I was you, working every single day, if that's what you're doing now. But what I'm telling you is sales is not something you need to be afraid of. I sucked as a salesman. I tried to do furniture sales when I was younger. I was terrible at it. It's not like that. So don't be afraid of sales. When you hear the word sales, don't be afraid of that anymore. You don't have to sell anything. You don't have to sell a course. You don't have to buy a course. All you have to do is this. Go here. Or you can make videos like this. Here, let me put this right here. Watch this.
Life is this. I like this.
That's one of the pre-made videos that you can just download, put your link in there and repost. I show you step by step how to do that. Everything that you need to do, I show you exactly how to do that. So what I want you to do is go here, or you can text me. My phone number's right there. Or, whatever, go to grabthislink.com, go to my playlist. Make sure you hit that subscribe button on my YouTube channel, though. Thank you. But look at that. Check that out. Check this out. Start it, do it, stick with it. And I promise you, there's no hidden charges. The last video in that playlist is going to tell you everything that you have to spend, right? So it's not hundreds of dollars. You don't have to spend hundreds of dollars. You don't have to spend thousands of dollars. You don't have to set up all the shit. We give that to you. Just watch this. It'll tell you everything about it. But don't pass this up. Don't let it go just because you don't want to do sales. Sales isn't sales anymore. Sales is providing information right there. All you do is you go right there, grabthislink.com. You post those kind of videos, and I give them to you for free, 100%. Check it out. Go there, hit that subscribe button, watch that playlist, go to grabthislink.com, get started today, and I'll see you in the next one.